Hey, thank you for watching. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's RVTV, the Ripperman Valerius Show. And I'm your host, Ripperman Valerius. Ladies and gents, our episode now is all about my first Mt.Pulag climb via Akiki Ambangeg Trail. Happened last June 2022. This is presented by Aventura Rippermania. Adventure starts here. And so we joined Martha's Hot Kitchen, volunteers and friends in our Mt.Pulag climb. Happened last June 18 to 20, 2022 via Akiki Ambangeg Trail. And this event was powered by Sangga Outdoors and Aventura Rippermania. Our climb team was composed of 11 people, plus our porters and our guide. It was Kuya Dave, Reynold, Kuya Joel, me, Marvin, Ate Nerisha, Bebe, James, Shena May, Rachel, and Jel. Last June 19, 2022, around 6 in the morning, when all of us had crossed the hanging bridge in Edet River. Then immediately after that, we started hiking up the steep slopes of the Akiki Trail. So basically, the whole day of June 19, 2022 was spent hiking up the steep trail of Akiki. That's all we did actually.
Yamanan mi da kayun apaku kayo gayang galhayama kot yan nagdatimpu man isutaku nagitoy ngararapap mi.
Now, we had our stopped from time to time just to rest and to motivate each other to continue, though it was really hard for some. So, at around 12 noon, we reached the point in the trail called Marlborough Country. So this is the place where we had our lunch and our rest. Here shows Manong Porter made a kind of cigarette made out of mixed dried tobacco leaves and guava leaves. Me and my brother had fun trying it.
Ito ay piling Ilim ka munyan ay adon maapig Tubig yang apoy mun papig sa sipugaw Tawadan ipigsan di men sulibaw Montañosa Benguet ipugaw Kalinga Abra Bagyo Apayaw Mesesay mangibugaw Mesesay mangibugaw.
At around 1 in the afternoon, we continued hiking up. Then we reached the part of the trail called Mossy Forest. At around 6 in the evening, when we reached our emergency campsite at the Mossy Forest part of the trail. And then we immediately pitched our tent, then changed our wet clothes, then started preparing dinner. It was past 7 in the evening when we had our dinner. We had pork menudo and rice cooked by Marvin. And after dinner, I had a few shots of whiskey to keep myself warm. Then I went to bed early. Our plan was to wake up at 3 in the morning, early morning. Then at 4, we will start our assault to the summit of Mount Pulag. So it was past 4 in the morning when we reached the grassy part of the trail, which was a steep trail again. Almost 5 in the morning, we saw that it was almost a sunrise. We can see the summit of Mount Pulag at this point. So this area here, it's the place where we had our sunrise viewing that day.
Here comes the sun, doo 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 doo. Here comes the sun. I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo 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 doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, the smiles return into the faces. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo 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 doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Sun, 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 here it comes. Sun, 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 here it comes. Sun, 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 here it comes. feel the ice is slowly melting.
Almost 6 in the morning when we reached Camp 3. Then we continued our assault to the summit of Mount Pulag. On the way up to the summit of Mount Pulag, in one of the stop I made to rest, I took this photo of the moon. At 6:45 in the morning of June 20, 2022, the entire team already reached the summit of Mount Pulag. Then we enjoy our summit moments. We mingled with the other teams that were already there when we arrived. And what else to do in the summit, right? And yes, we took tons of photos. Almost 8 in the morning when we started hiking down to Camp 2, to where we plan to cook our brunch. almost 10 in the morning when we reached Camp 2. Then we prepared our brunch. We had a celebratory meal after 2 days of hiking through the Killer Trail. Everyone was happy and joyful for their experiences. And at around 11 in the morning, we started our descent. We hiked down, going to Ranger Station. Past 3 in the afternoon when we all reached Ranger Station. Then we rested for a moment and then we cleaned up. Jerry, our van driver for our van transport, was already there waiting for us. At around 4 in the afternoon, when we started traveling back to Baguio City.